a nice boat. And I got 10 people on that boat. And we go out on Lake Minnetonka because we're going on a boat ride. I'm the captain, and here we go. How many of you would go on a boat with me, Richard? Not many. But you would Uber with a stranger? Okay. So we get on the boat, we go out there, and we're having a great time, and all of a sudden, I'm really aggressive with the boat. Go figure, right? I got showed off. Well, then I break the boat. And I mean, break the boat. Okay? Like full throttle, like not full throttle, but I'm forward, and, I hit the button, the throttle's on the right, you pull it back, and I've done my motor safety class. Well, I actually skip neutral. And I go right to reverse, but accidentally. And boat stops. I'm okay with the boat stopping, I'll just restart it. Okay. I got 9 people besides me on the boat that have never been on a boat in the middle of Lake Minnetonka. And as I'm eating, it's smoking. It's a true story. Nothing to worry about. I'm on a boat with 9 people who've never been on a boat that I'm working on getting committed. In the middle of Lake Minnetonka. I'll just do this one more time. Then I decide to open it. Guys, no problem. Just got to connect some wires here. And Heather will tell you I'm not the greatest fixer-up husband. Changing the light bulb can be a little difficult at times. Right? You guys know there's so many light bulbs in her house. There's different light bulbs for different rooms. It's tough. But she never asked me to build anything, let alone fix the boat. But I'm like, hey, we got no problem. Because now they're looking at me like, what's going on? And how I handle this next 15 minutes, or an hour and 45, is going to determine whether we get some of these guys or not. So I lift up the hatch, and there it is. Smoke everywhere, and it smells awful. Like it's going, the ship's going down. So anyway, make a long story short, I call Matt Childers. So when there's a problem in our facility, I call my video guy. No matter what it is. It could be a wall, it could be drywall, it could be some weird smell, it could be video. I call him because he is Mr. Husband and Mr. Fix-It. Matt, I got a problem. By that time, I've already emojied Heather what's going on because I can't talk on the phone because I can't show panic. But my emoji's got the message across. Long story short, out comes the fishing boat. Out comes the jet skis. Thank gosh for our graduate assistants and our quality control young guys who know how to drive those things. And now we've got a rescue mission on our hands. Well, before that happened, he committed. Before that happened. And now I think I just lost the guy. Long story short, everybody gets rescued, and I'm on the boat with his mom. And it's just me and her. And it's smoking and we're drifting towards the rocks. Because they haven't saved me yet, because I'm the captain of the ship. I'm going with the ship. And she goes, Coach Fleck, I'm sitting there thinking, great. Can't bring my son here, can't trust you, it's not safe. I really love how you just handled that because you acted so calm. And I knew you weren't. I said, oh, thank goodness. It was awful. Oh my gosh, I thought we were going down. And I could spill the beans to her at that point. But we had a very nice float for 30 minutes and really got to know each other very well. So there's a lot that goes into getting a kid committed.